Welcome to another episode of Gavilon Garage. Yesterday we got a lot done. Replaced the fans, replaced the front impact crash bumper, changed the oil, and then also changed the engine air filter. So today I want to wash the window switch trays. They're really dirty and finally get those installed. All right, we're starting off with these window switch covers, or I'm sorry, window switch trays. I just want to show you how dirty these are. Hopefully you guys can see that. So I'm going to start off with some soapy water here. Just spray them down. I really don't know what's in this one, but it looks like maybe some kind of syrup. I don't know. Oil. Definitely dog hair. Making them new. In here, I have some Dawn soap in my scrubby pad. I'm just gonna scrub them all down. I don't really care about the bottom side, but we're just gonna try to get as much dirt and grime off of it as I can. Okay, we're going to start off with the left passenger rear door. And we're getting that screw. We're going to remove the switch here by prying into this. Just push it down actually. Not in that manner, but something similar. This is a very custom tool for that. There we are. Here's the old one, which is actually still pretty good. Actually, I didn't even need to get this one, but as a matter of fact, yes. You see how this is broken? That's what, oh, there it is. That's what I'm replacing. This is the New-to-me, and I'm just gonna put the switch back in the same way it came out. Good, there it is. Works. I'm going to connect the switch here, and I'm going to put this back in. Find our screw, drop it in here. Get our power tools. Nice and snug, and well done. Okay, so that was the rear left passenger door window switch tray. The other door is obviously the same. I'm just gonna do the passenger's door, and then it's pretty much the same thing on the, the driver's door, and it's pretty much the same thing on the passenger door. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get those done. And I do have a mud flap I want to install real quick. I know they're minor details, but that's what makes my Subaru different. You can see this one is completely broken. We're going to remove our switches. You can see that's completely gone. So that's what I'm removing. We're going to unscrew 1, 2, and 3. We're going to put our switches back in. Our connectors, I mean. This one's obviously the longer one. This one goes here. This other one goes here. And we need to get our screw out. And no more loose tray. I think that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching Gavilan Garage. But we don't know anything, but we'll fix everything.